What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another hair video. Today we are once again doing another kinky style. I think at this point I might be a kinky hair warrior. Anyways, this was how my hair was looking before, and let me show you what it looks right now. One, two, three. Let's go. Yeah, this is the end result of the hair. I don't know why I forgot to do the transition. I guess it might be because this hair took me 2 days to do. Yes, 2 days to do. I literally started the first day around maybe 12, ended around 6 or so because I needed a break, and then I went back to it the next day. Let's get into these hair details. This hair is from QVR Hair. They did send 5 packs of this Afro kinky hair in color 4, which is dark brown. I know you can see just 4 packs, but trust me, they actually sent 5 packs. Now, another amazing thing about this brand is that each of these packs actually did come with a crochet pin. So that means I have like 5 crochet pins right now. Anyway, so yeah, let's get into the hair. I decided to try this new method that I've been seeing, TikTok girlies do, where they divide their hair into half first. For me, anytime I get to do my hair, I like to divide my hair into 4 parts, just so that the lines are shorter to cut, and making it shorter means that it would be straighter to do. But I do not think I'll be trying this style anymore because you can see the back wasn't straight enough, and I don't have a mirror that checks the back. I don't have like 2 mirrors, one at the back, one at the front, like them YouTube girlies. God, when so we have to make do with what we have, and I just rely on my ancestors to guide me. Honestly, most of the times when I braid my hair, I literally just close my eyes to do the back and just like close my eyes. I don't know, it's weird because I feel like closing my eyes helps me see better when I do the back of my hair, like the part that I don't have mirror. For the front, of course, there's a mirror in front of me. I will definitely open my eyes, but when I'm doing my back hair, I just tend to close my eyes. I don't know, I can't help it. Anyways, yes, so we already started the hair. Girl, this hair stressed me. I don't know why I decided to go for this size. Okay, I do know why I decided to go. So for kinky style, I prefer going medium. I don't like going too tiny. I don't like going too large. Too tiny. I don't like going too tiny because of my front hair, because of my edges. Your protective style in your hair, so you shouldn't do a style that would ruin your edges. I know you guys might hear me talk about edges a lot. I really don't want my edges to go. The only thing that I believe has the right to take my edges, but I pray and I hope to God that it doesn't, is childbirth. If I cause traction alopecia by myself, I will be pissed. So I'm very particular about my edges. So yeah, if you're doing this style, I would advise that you don't go too tiny, you don't go too large, just go medium. So while we're doing this hair, let me tell you a few things that stood out to me about this hair. First of all, this hair is so soft. I don't know what QVR did. I don't know the magic they did to imitate actual natural hair, but I'm definitely not mad at it at all. In fact, I'm not complaining. Just you guys should just continue. Just continue, honestly. So you know how when you apply water and leave-in conditioner on natural hair and then it would go soft, that's what this hair literally does. You would see it in the end. Trust me, just keep on watching. It's lightweight. It feels like there is nothing on my head. So no matter the size, how tiny it gets, no matter the amount that you put on your hair, it is literally lightweight. You would not feel it. Another thing is, so when you it's puffy when it's dry, right? But when you apply water, it falls. Like it reduces, it falls. Like you can visibly see that it has reduced. Honestly, blown away. I don't know the science behind that. So yes, here we are, almost done. We've done like 3/4 of my head, remaining just one more quarter. At this point I was stressed. I think this was the second day of me doing the hair. You can see the texture of the hair, just kinky. Yeah, so let's just keep enjoying this. Let me know in the comment section, guys, the quality of this audio. We just got a new mic. I'm so excited. This is my first time using this mic for a voiceover, and honestly, I am just super blown. I love it. Let me know if you love it too. We're investing in this YouTube thing because we need business. So stick around, do stick around for more hair videos, more hair tutorials. You guys should let me know what kind of videos you want to see on this channel. So I'm just gonna stop talking right now so that we can enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you when my hair is done and when I have my makeup on.
Thinking about me every night, oh, is it that sweet like it's so? You can't sleep, baby, I know, that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Is it that sweet like it's so? Left, right, east, east, baby, 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 down, down, baby, I know, espresso, espresso, espresso. Is it that sweet like it's so? Thinking about me every night, oh, is it that sweet like it's so? You can't sleep, baby, I know, it's that me espresso. Pull it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. You can't sleep, baby, I know, it's that me espresso. Too bad your ex don't feel the fire. Walked in and dream came true in the fire. Dark skin and not perfume the fire. So I know nothing to do it for you. That morning coffee brewed it for you. Don't touch and I'm brand new for you. Now he's thinking about me every night, oh, is it that sweet like it's so? You can't sleep, baby, I know, that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. You can't sleep, baby, I know, is it that sweet like it's so? Yes, yes, so now, baby, I know, it's so, it's so, it's so, it's so. Yes, yes,
So this is the finished look. Absolutely gorgeous. Spell gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I really love the length of this hair. I love that I added, I kept on adding until I got the desired length that I actually want. This hair is from QVR. Go shop, go shop. This is Afro kinky hair, just like natural hair. Kinky hair is not just exclusive to people with natural hair. If you have relaxed hair, like me, if your hair has been relaxed, don't fret. You can also rock kinky mini twist. You can also rock mini twist. You can also rock kinky hair, because it's not like your hair is being shown. It's literally tucked in with this. This is really nice. This took me almost 2 days to do. It took me 2 days to do. And let me just say this. I actually did this hair before, but I didn't like it. I didn't like how the lady did my hair, and I had to just sit down and redo the whole thing myself. And I love that I did that, because this size is smaller and I made the twist looser. And I really like it. This is how it looks. This is how fluffy it looks when you apply leave-in conditioner and water. I added mousse, I added oil sheet, and I added oil to my scalp, just to make sure that everything is nice and done and perfectly done. With this, you can always get your money's worth. That's why I love hairs like this. That's why I love Afro kinky hairs like this, because you can get your money's worth. When I take it down, I'm definitely not cutting it, because I plan on using this again and again and again and again, because the older kinky hair looks, the better it even looks. I also decided to go for the color brown. I've tried black before and I just wanted something different, and this time I went for the color brown. And I love it. It actually complements my skin tone, and I think we're doing a little bit of matching here. I do not regret rocking this hair. I do not regret having this. Let me just give this a middle part so you see my face properly. So this is its part, half up, half down, and we have finally come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching till this end. I hope you enjoyed watching me install this hair from QVR. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Please support me by watching my videos, and yeah, peace and love. Bye.